Good morning, everyone. You are welcome in AI with Rao, and let's make AI simple. And in this journey, I have come up with a completely new playlist, and that is the beginning of all in AI, and that is Python programming language. Why Python for AI? Your first step towards programming language. What we are going to cover? Very simple, all basics. See, if you have no idea about programming language, you must start with Python. So Python is like giving instruction to a very obedient helper in a plain simple English. Other language make you write the formal grammar. Python lets you write just what you mean, and that's why AI, which needs constant experimenting, it is built on that. You got the point? Now here is every programming language is a way to tell computer what to do. You agree? But most of them are strict and wordy. That's true. Full of curly braces, semicolons, formal grammar. Python is different. It was designed to be like plain English. You write what you mean and it just works. So day one in Python journey, the first floor of becoming an AI engineer. We start from absolute zero, and if you already code in other language, it's a cherry on the top. You will understand it very easily. If you have never been there, I promise you, you will learn it in a month. Now there is a minor comparison. I'm not saying something is wrong, something is right. Everything has its own test. Now there is a comparison between Java and Python. To just print one line, you have to write 5 lines of code. A main method and a class, and then system out println, and then curly braces. In Python, you just write print hello, done. You can see right now. So in many languages Python, so Python just simple, no need to do anything. Okay, so if you already coded no class, no main, no sentence, no type declaration starts, Python cuts the ceremony. So you focus on idea. For beginner, this means you can write real code and write from day one. It's just as simple as that. Okay, it's like a superpower. Just one line and you just nailed it. See why I will do this and why I am doing this. The reason is because Python is the foundation of all things that is there in AI and its branches, because it is the foundation. On top of it, many libraries are there like NumPy, Panda, scikit-learn, PyTorch, and ChatGPT, even self-driving car, and everything AI is built on top of that. Then what is the foundation of all? Is this one programming language? And if this programming language is so simple, why we should not learn it first? You got the point? So Python is simple basic language. On top of that is sits NumPy, Panda, scikit-learn, PyTorch, and on top of those sits ChatGPT, self-driving car, everything AI learns Python once, and you will unlock the whole world of stack. You got this point? So this is what it is there. See, this is the key insight. Learn Python once and you will unlock every AI tool on top of that. Researchers choose Python because it is fast to experiment, and once everyone use it, all the tools are made for it. It is now the undisputed language of AI. Learning it is the smartest first move you can take. Say how you write and how this happens. See, 3 steps. You write the code. Python engine that we call interpreter interprets it and shows the result. Simple, 3 step, and top to bottom. 2 things, 3 steps, top to bottom. Run. You write your instruction in a file. Python reads them and runs them through interpreter and shows the result. Result can be any printing the test, calculation, or whatever you ask. Okay, so Python reads the instruction top to bottom, line by line. That's simple. At one at a time, does exactly what each says. There is no hidden magic. If you can write a clear list of steps, you can write Python. That's the whole mental model. Now your first programming language, just no history, geography. This is what it is. Print hello AI. It has 3 things. First is the command. What is the command? Command name is print. Now the brackets, small bracket, just to hold that string, and the text, the string we call it, this text we call it a string. We will cover each and everything. These are the 3 things that is there. And now your first programming language, your print, first line of programming Python is done. Now here is your first programming language as C, and these are the prints is the command, bracket is to hold what to show, and hello world is the text, that is the string that we have just covered. So we will cover these things in more detail. Let's have some more lines of code, like a print line 1, print line 2, print 2 plus 2, and that will show 4, and there is a hash symbol. It means comment. It when Python interpreter will come from top to bottom, line by line, it will come to the first line, then second line, then third line. When it will say that, oh, there is a hashtag, it will ignore these things. It is just for our reference. Okay, so each line is the first line, then it will come to second line. As simple as that. Now you will ask, okay, I understand that, how we are going to cover the whole thing? Simple, each week. So first week I am going to cover the basic here. Okay, in the second week we are going to cover collection loops. That is very important, fundamental of all. And then in the third week, function and OOPS, object oriented programming. And in the fourth week we are going to cover AI toolkits like NumPy and Panda. As simple, nothing hi-fi or fancy. Okay, so what we learn? We learned that Python is as simple as plain English. Okay, and just interpreter language. It interprets and runs from top to bottom, line by line. All AIs will learn on top of Python. So you learn one programming language, you unlock the whole potential of AI. Okay, write code once, that's it. Print statement we saw, and hash statement, hash, this is means what? Comment. Okay, and the journey that we are going to cover. So in next video I will see you, and hope you will enjoy. Okay, thank you.